Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can add custom fields to your to-do list and cards on Trello. So drop a like and now let us get started. Head over to Trello, select the workspace, choose a board from that panel here on the left-hand side, and after that, pick a card from a to-do list. So let me go, for example, with that card here for the sake of this tutorial. And that is going to redirect you to the card setup. So what you want to do, guys, is customize your card by using these features here on the right panel. Amongst these, you will see the custom fields features. However, guys, if I click on it, I will see that window, or that window will be displayed for me, indicating or showing us that the only way to gain access to these custom fields would be to upgrade the Trello account to a premium one by clicking on that button here. That is going to redirect you to the pricing plan. So here users can upgrade their accounts to a premium one to gain access to these benefits and bonus features, including custom fields. And that's basically it, guys. That's the truth behind this. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.